Right, so then we are down the river for today. And yeah, as you can see, I got the £2 rod off of TikTok shop. I got it on a deal. It's not bad. I think it's about, let me measure it up to me. It's about 5'8" or so. And yeah, I just got a little, where's the brand? There's the brand. Nothing expensive. But yeah, we've had pike from here before, which I'll put up on the screen now. Me and Harry like a bit of pike fishing down there. But yeah, I got my gloves on. Hands are proper cold. And these are the only gloves I've got, so that's why we got them on. But yeah, we're going to see if we can nag pike or even a perch. What a cast, by the way. Right, so this is the lure of choice for me, little Fox Rage, sort of like an imitation perch if you like. Black and green, that is what works well on this river and what we've caught on before. As you can see, it's got a little 5 gram weight on it as well. One hook, and yeah, lovely stuff. Let's see if we can get a fish. That's that spot done. We'll come back in about an hour or so. We've been here half hour. So yeah, we're going to move on to under that bridge over here. Come on, Pike. We've moved spot. We're currently under the bridge, as you can see. This is a known spot for me and Harry. We've had pike from here. It's always a little lucky spot, so fingers crossed we can have pike. I'm in.
Oh, good job.
Yeah! But it is great to have a pike on the bank for you all. Maybe it's got dripped on, but yeah, right. Let's get the pike back and hopefully we can get another one. Lovely stuff. So I've got my TikTok shop rod, which is about, I think I got it for £2, but I think it's usually about £5. I'll put the link in the description. And just a nice little pike clear off Amazon, blue one, and obviously my braid. And obviously we're using wire traces as well. So yeah, it's about £20 altogether, 18 for the reel and £2 for the rod. So yeah, about 20 setup. You can still catch pike off of sort of a mid to low range setup. So yeah, nice. Back to the first spot now, see if we can nab another pike. So these are the lures I've been using. As you can see, they're all Fox Rage, and that one's just a single lure. But yeah, they're the lures. Lovely stuff. Right, so then I hope you enjoyed that sort of £20 pike setup challenge with me and my cousin. I'm sure me and my cousin Harry will be getting out in the future on the river a lot more. Hopefully bringing out a couple more videos. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the session. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bosh.